For more such delicious recipes, subscribe to Simply Jain and don't forget to hit the bell icon.
Hi friends, welcome to Simply Jain. Today we are going to make quick instant Rava Dhokla. So let's start making it. Ingredients required for Rava Dhokla are buttermilk, rava, water, coriander, salt, green chilies and fruit salt. Make 3/4 cup of buttermilk and then warm it. In that we are going to add rava. See to it that you don't make a very thin buttermilk. We need it to be little thick. In that we will add 2 tablespoons chopped coriander and 1 tablespoon green chilies, salt to taste. Mix this and get your steamer ready in which you are going to make your dhoklas. See to it that the water is boiled. That's when, just before putting the batter in the dish, we will add eno, fruit salt and then allow it to get steamed. Once the steamer is ready, just add half packet of fruit salt. And then directly put it in the dish. Just grease it with oil. Now this goes in the steamer for 15 to 20 minutes. Once the dhoklas are done, just cut it into pieces. So by inserting a knife after 15 minutes, you all will come to know whether they are done or no. If there is something left on the knife, if the batter comes on the knife, it means that it needs to be steamed further. If it is clean, that means it is done. Now we are going to give a tadka. So the ingredients required for that are mustard seeds, green chilies, coriander, oil and curry leaves. We will add 2 tablespoons oil. Once it's heated, we will add 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Once it starts crackling, after a minute, you will add curry leaves. So you will add around 10 to 15 curry leaves. Then 3 chopped green chilies. And then this we will add it on the dhokla plate directly. Add the coriander. And just mix it. And this is done. Our Rava Dhoklas are ready. Serve it with sauce and ketchup. Our Rava Dhokla are ready. If you like the recipe, comment below. And also don't forget to check out the vegetable dhoklas which we had posted earlier. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe to Simply Jain for a new recipe every Tuesday.